I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me.
Good morning, SK. I'm Savannah Foster.
And I'm Devin Kobayashi. That was the ladies bowling team at their match last night. They had a great win.
And tonight is their senior night, and we'd like to wish them luck in the postseason. But we'll have more on them later, so stay tuned.
Moving on to today's news. We hope you're having a great day and you're showing school spirit dressed in your island gear.
If you're wondering why we're dressed like this, then maybe you should take a look at the Spirit Days. Today is Thousand Island dressing, so we hope you're dressed in your best island wear.
Tomorrow is Avatar Day for the Pep Assembly. Freshmen wear earthy greens and browns, sophomores wear airy grays and whites, juniors wear watery blues, and seniors, we are fiery reds and oranges.
Be sure to dress up tomorrow and show your school spirit at the Pep Assembly.
Tolo is coming up next month. Buy your tickets early and save.
Starting January 22nd through the 26th, prices are $10 with ASB and $15 without.
From January 29th to February 2nd, it costs $13 with ASB and $18 without.
And finally, on February 5th to the 9th, tickets are $15 with ASB and $20 without. Make sure to get your tickets early and spend less. Sophomores, Hobie applications are due to the Career Center tomorrow. Interviews will be next Wednesday beginning at 2:30 p.m. in room 102. National Honor Society members, head to room 104 and sign up for Ready for Kindergarten work times. Attention all students, counselors will be available in the Commons during lunches next week starting on Tuesday. You will get a copy of your schedule during class on Tuesday. Bring that copy with you if changes need to be made. Any athletes interested in turning out for track and field, attend the preseason meeting next Thursday at 2:15 in Stage 2. If you have any questions, please see Mrs. Madison or Mr. Santos.
Are you a sophomore or junior thinking about beginning running start next year? There will be an informational meeting for you and your parents next Thursday at 2:10 in the main theater. If you would like to attend Jocelyn's Leadership Conference on February 9th at Washington High School, please sign up by tomorrow in room 102 during non-class time. The cost is $20 and a lunch and a t-shirt are included.
Are you interested in a career as a firefighter and willing to move to Wenatchee? The Douglas County Fire Department is recruiting for their resident firefighter program. Applications are currently open and you could start in August after graduation. See the Career Center for more information. Juniors and seniors, if you want to take the AccuPlacer at SK, pay your $10 fee at ASB to get registered. Space is limited. The test is next Wednesday at 2:15 in the library. You must apply for admission at OC before you take the test. See the Career Center with any questions.
The Washington State Opportunity Scholarship is for up to $22,500 over 5 years. The application is open until February 28th. You must send in an official transcript and file your FAFSA by March 7th. See the Career Center or your counselor if you need more information. The Kiwanis of Port Orchard Scholarship is now open. They award 8 scholarships of up to $30 each. The application is on thewashboard.org only and is due April 9th. The talent show is tomorrow, and at the auditions last week, Nicole Cottrell had a chance to talk to a few people about it.
Hey South, it's Nicole. Right now we're going to travel the halls of South Kitsap High School to get some information on the talent show tomorrow night. Let's go. What is your act?
I'm doing a tap dance.
Nina and I are playing Viva La Vida.
Aww. You going to talent show tomorrow?
No.
Why not?
I gotta work.
You going to talent show tomorrow?
Yes.
I might be sick that day, actually.
What is your act?
I'm rapping and singing.
If you could explain your act in one word, what would it be?
Amazing, bodacious, super awesome act.
I think that was 4 words.
Yeah.
Terrible. Flippin' amazing.
It's 2 words.
Sorry.
Are you going to the talent show tomorrow night?
No,
Why not?
because I'm not cool enough to go to the talent show.
If you're listening out there, you are cool enough, I promise. Are you nervous?
Yeah, I am.
What are you expecting to see from the talent show this year?
Some actual talent.
I want to hear a lot of great voices.
Well, you heard it here South tomorrow night at 7 p.m. in the main theater. $3 with ASB and $5 without. Proceeds go to Tolo. See you there.
Remember, the show starts at 6:30 tomorrow night. Tickets are $3 with ASB and $5 without, and $6 for non-students and adults.
Moving on to sports news. The bowling team beat Emerald Ridge. Ginger Cermak bowled at 204, Morgan Crane 181, Tawny Yates 179, and Francesca Corso with a personal best of 150. Great job, ladies.
In the schedule of events, Ladies bowling will have their senior night at 3 at Hydro Bowl.
And wrestling will hit the mat to take on Graham Kapowsin at 6 p.m. at Graham Kapowsin.
Head out and support our athletes and show your school spirit.
Another way to show school spirit is through clubs. The clubs meeting today are Ceramics, Knowledge Bowl, Spanish, German, Art, FCCLA, Illuminate Bible Club, Lifesavers, DECA, Campus Life, Graphics, Journalism, Magic and Trading Card Games, and Ukulele.
And tomorrow, Magic and Trading Card Games and Village of Unity will meet.
Clubs are a great way to make new friends and get involved in SK.
A few days ago, Central Washington University was here for the on-the-spot admissions event. The following Wolves were admitted:
Gracie Buen, Roman Gag, Nicholas Timko Wilsey, and Alyssa Gilliam.
Mary Rabarchek, Alexi Valley, Ethan Vandenberg, and Layla Cruz.
Great job, everyone, and good luck with your post-high school plans.
Well, that looks like all we have for you today.
But before we go, we have a list of alternatives for the end of the day tomorrow, if the assembly is too much for you.
Have a great day, SK.